cleaned up.
Let's brush, everybody.
And gather all the family.
I think it's stupendous.
It's a special Barney double feature with 2 times the fun on 2 terrific videos.
This is going to be lots of fun.
First, from tissues to toothbrushes, it's Barney and his friends at their squeaky cleanest.
You really should cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze, sugar.
Come along as Barney and the kids learn all about staying healthy in Good Clean Fun.
Well, brushing your teeth after eating helps keep your teeth clean and safe from germs.
But the smiles don't end there. Because when it comes to getting along with your brother or sister, BJ and Baby Bop have got it all figured out.
Flippity boot.
Being different is what makes each of you special.
That's right. Learn all about working and playing together in Oh Brother, She's My Sister.
It's nice when family play and have fun together.
Get ready for 2 great videos full of good, clean family fun with everyone's favorite purple dinosaur. Don't miss Barney's Good Clean Fun and Oh Brother, She's My Sister. Now available together on home video for one low price from Lyric Studios. Not too far away, there's a place called Rhineland, home to some pretty interesting characters.
I'm little Bo Peep and I've lost my sheep and I don't know where to find them.
It's a place where Mother Goose rolls the roost and classic fairy tales come to life like never before.
Hi, Dumpy. Long time no see.
So come along as we travel to Rhineland in a magical, musical video adventure from Shelley to Paul.
Sorry, the boss, Mother Goose walking right.
Goose winds up missing. You've got to save me! It's up to little Bo Peep and friends to find her before all the stories in Rhineland disappear.
It's a very worthy emergency.
Join in on the search with little Miss Muffet,
Can I pet your tuffet?
Jack and Jill,
Unfortunately, there are a couple of klutzes.
and many, many more. Don't miss all your favorite stars, starring as all your favorite fairy tale friends. Get ready for music and mayhem, brought to you by the one and only Shelley Duvall. Don't miss Shelley Duvall's Mother Goose Rock and Ride, now available on home video. Not so far away, there's a wonderful wetland where nature comes alive like never before.
Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy.
It's a magical place full of laughs, songs, and lots of friends.
I'm Heckish, explorer extraordinaire.
Welcome to Groundling Marsh, home to some of Mother Nature's most delightfully unusual characters. Join Galileo and Maggie, Echo and Crystal, Mudslinger and Hegdish,
Did somebody mention my name?
and Stax as they share an adventure after adventure and learn many valuable lessons.
How do you feel about sharing Miracle Pop with Maggie?
Get ready for plenty of laughs and a whole lot of fun when you come on down to Groundling Marsh, living proof that Mother Nature has a sense of humor. Don't miss Groundling Marsh, now on public television.
Have you ever seen anything like that in your life?
Check your local listings or call your public television station for the viewing time in your area. And watch for Groundling Marsh on home video from Lyric Studios. You know how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur. Now imagine how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur in his very own stage show.
Is everyone stupendous time?
Get ready for Barney's Big Surprise, a live video recording of his first ever national stage show tour. Join Barney, Baby Bop, and a host of old and new friends as they come together to celebrate a... Oops, it's a surprise.
Ooh, I want to tell. I want to tell.
There's music, laughter, and fun galore as Barney brings all his very special friends into your very own home. You'll see Mother Goose, Professor Tinkerpot, and many, many more. So get ready to clap your hands because this is one super duper surprise you'll never forget.
With a cake this big, I think I need everyone's help.
Don't miss Barney's Big Surprise, now available on home video from Lyric Studios.